Recently, I came across this channel, and honestly, the moment I pressed play, I almost fell off my chair. Why? Because the videos were so insanely good, so unbelievably smooth, I thought, bro, I'm done. I can't compete with this. I'm going to die. But then I realized something even crazier. These videos aren't going viral day by day. No, my mistake. They're going viral second by second. Every refresh, boom, more views. Every minute, boom, more comments. Every hour, boom, another viral video. So I asked myself the same question you're thinking right now. How is this guy making these insane animated videos? Is he using some paid secret tool? Is this a hidden AI software no one knows about? People are confused. People are curious. People are desperate to know the truth. And today, I'm the one who's going to tell you. You might think he's using some expensive premium software, a $500 tool, a Hollywood-level animation program. But no, man, listen carefully. The tool I discovered is 100% free. Yes, free. No subscription, no watermarks, no limits, just unlimited AI videos at zero cost. Imagine that for a second. AI videos with insane quality, cute 3D characters, Hollywood-style lighting, viral potential in every frame. And you can make them unlimited without paying even ₹1 or dollar. Oh, my God. This is the moment everything changes. If you've ever wanted to go viral, if you've ever wanted to create animations like the pros, if you've ever dreamed of making next-level shorts, then stay with me because I'm about to show you the tool that nobody talks about. The tool that can make you go viral. The tool that can change your entire channel. Starting today. I just opened ChatGPT, dropped the screenshot of the animation style I wanted, and typed one simple line. I want to create this type of animated shorts video. Please give me 15 prompts. Make sure the character is 3D, the same as in the pictures, and extremely cute. That's it, just one line. And when I hit enter, BROOOO, ChatGPT blew my mind. In just a few seconds, it created insane, professional, studio-quality prompts for me. Not simple prompts, not basic text, but full, cinematic, ultra-detailed prompts that look like they were written by a top Hollywood animator. The type of prompts that make your AI video look premium, viral, and super high quality instantly. This is the real magic of AI. You don't need hours of learning. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need expensive software. You just show ChatGPT the style you want, and boom, it creates magic for you. Every time I do this, it feels like ChatGPT reads my mind. I give it one screenshot, one sentence, and it delivers a full animation concept, characters, lighting, scene direction, everything. This is why people are going viral so fast. This is why new creators are beating big channels. Because AI gives you the power that only professionals used to have. And trust me, once you try this, you will never go back to the old way of creating content. Now I came to the tool called Digen AI. And let me tell you, this tool is something else. Why is it amazing? Because Digen AI isn't just another normal AI tool. It's a completely new level of creativity. New style videos, new style images, new animation effects. Everything inside this tool feels fresh, modern, and super advanced. The moment you open it, you realize, okay, this is the tool that can take my content to the next level. Whether you want animated shorts, cinematic images, viral style edits, or unique AI-driven video transformations, Digen AI does it all. Fast, smooth, and with quality that looks unreal. This tool is honestly like having a mini animation studio inside your browser. No complicated setup, no difficult controls. Just pure creativity with one click. Now, let's move to the login section. And don't worry, I'm going to guide you step by step. You can log in with your Gmail, or you can even use a temporary email. And trust me, I tried a lot of AI tools before, and most of them don't allow temp mail. But this tool, Digen AI actually lets you log in with a free temporary email. Yes, you just grab any temp mail, set your password, create your account, and boom, you're inside. And the moment you enter, they give you 300 free credits. When I saw that, I literally said, "Boom!" But wait, the real question is, how do we use these credits? And what if I tell you that you can use Digen AI totally free without even touching most of your credits? Let me explain. Once you're inside, go to the Image Tools section. Here, you will see a lot of amazing AI tools, including premium ones like Nano and many more. Some of these are paid, yes, but the free tools are honestly so good that you won't even miss the paid ones. So first, I tested Nano, and even though it uses a few credits, the free images it generated were stunning. Then I tried other AI image tools like Flux image and many more. And when I saw the results, I was completely shocked, like absolutely speechless. The details, the lighting, the style, everything looked professional, clean, and super realistic. And here's the crazy part. All the free image tools didn't use any credits at all. Only Nano uses credits. The rest, 0 credit usage, meaning you can create unlimited images completely free. I tested it again, and again, and again, dozens of times. Still 0 credits used. Still perfect results. Still totally free. This is why Digen AI is so powerful. It gives you premium level image generation without spending a single credit. Now I just entered the video section, and trust me, this is where everything changes. This is the main hub, the core, the powerhouse of Digen AI. And honestly, once you reach this section, you will feel like you've unlocked a secret animation studio. All you do is upload your picture, and instantly the tool opens a full gallery of video styles. From VO3, Sora 2, ultra cinematic filters, anime styles, realistic human motion styles. Everything is right there in front of you. But I didn't touch the paid ones. I went straight for the free section. And let me tell you something, the free styles are already on another level. I selected the real motion style, set the quality to high, and just pressed enter. Normally the tool says it may take up to 12 minutes. But honestly, every single time I tested it, it finished in 2-3 minutes. Max. No delay, no lag, nothing. And then the magic happened. My image started moving, blinking, walking, acting like a real character inside a movie scene. The smoothness of the motion, the clarity of the face, the lighting, the realism, everything looked like a professionally animated short film. I actually sat there shocked for a few seconds because I couldn't believe this was the result of a free tool. I generated another video and another and another. Every time the quality was mind-blowing. Every time the motion was clean. Every time the transformation looked real. And the craziest part? It didn't even touch my credits. 0 credit usage. Completely free video generation. You rarely see tools that give you free video generation without limits. But Digen AI is doing it right in front of us. This is the reason creators are switching to it. This is the reason people are going viral. Because the tool gives you the power of a full animation studio with just one uploaded picture.